Have you ever woken up with the feeling that the world of finance is changing too fast to keep up with? Get ready, because what's happening these days is not just a simple shift. It's a revolution. And if you're not paying attention, you risk being left behind forever. On June 10th, 2025, the company Circle, one of the giants in the cryptocurrency space, did something historic. It launched its initial public offering on the stock market. But this wasn't just any IPO. It was a clear signal that the world of crypto and traditional finance are merging, and the point of no return has been passed. Circle is not just any name. It's the company behind USDC, one of the most used stablecoins in the world, with billions of dollars in daily circulation. Going public now means more than raising capital. It means legitimacy. It means regulation. It means that Wall Street is finally accepting that the future of digital currency is already here. But there's more. The timing was no coincidence. In recent months, the debate over stablecoin regulation in the United States has intensified. Circle moved ahead of everyone else, acting before the regulatory framework became too strict. A bold move. A visionary move. And this is only the beginning. Think about what this means for you. Companies that invest in innovation will dominate the next decade. And if you knew exactly what moves to make to ride this wave, you could transform your financial situation in ways that now seem impossible. But it doesn't end there. There's another name shaking up traditional finance, another fintech giant entering the stock market right now. Its name is Chime. Chime is a digital bank, but not like the others. It's a bank built for the future. No physical branches, no bureaucracy, no fees, just technology, efficiency, and data. Its IPO, combined with Circle's, is creating the perfect storm. The IPOs of these two companies are attracting billions in capital from all over the world. Why? Because investors understand we're witnessing the birth of a new financial architecture. One that blends the best of crypto decentralization with the power and stability of regulated markets. And the only question you need to ask yourself is this: are you ready to be part of this new world? Or will you stay stuck in the old system while others build the wealth of the future? And now we get to the most important part. How can you take advantage of all this? What can you do today to avoid missing the train of change? The first thing is to get informed. You need to start following every piece of news related to fintech, regulated crypto, and upcoming IPOs. But reading headlines isn't enough. You need to interpret them, understand where capital is flowing, where investor confidence is going, because that's where great fortunes are built. The second thing is to change your mindset. Just a few years ago, finance was the exclusive domain of banks, funds, and professional investors. Today, the real opportunity belongs to those who know how to use technology, those who can read between the lines, those who combine logic with vision. The IPOs of Circle and Chime are just the beginning of a wave that will bring dozens of fintech companies to the stock market in the coming months. These will be companies involved in artificial intelligence, instant payments, digital wallets, and decentralized platforms. Each new listing is a window of opportunity. But it won't last long. Big money moves fast, and if you wait too long, you'll be left with crumbs. The third thing you need to do is choose which side you're on. You can keep thinking that finance is far from your world, or you can decide that this is your moment, that this is the year you take control of your financial future, the year you stop playing defense and go on the attack. Because those who understand where the world is going don't just follow it. They lead it. Remember these words. 2025 is the year traditional finance and digital finance come together. And it's also the year when the next generation of millionaires is made. And now I want to leave you with a question. When people look back and talk about the financial revolution that started in 2025, will your name be among those who rode the wave? Or among those who missed it? You decide which side you're on. And if you really want to be ready, don't miss another video on this channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and start building your financial freedom today.